Namaskar, good evening everyone. Happy Tuesday to all of you. Okay. Let's start. Okay, if you have any questions, just drop me a message in the chat. I will answer. Okay, I hope everyone can hear me. Can hear me? Can, okay, good. Okay. நான் mute பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So you can't unmute because if other students comes in, I don't want them to disturb your practice. எனக்கு விளங்காது ஆனா உங்களுக்கு விளங்கும். Okay, that's why. All right. Okay, come sit up straight. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Once again. Inhale and exhale. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of your thoughts. Embrace your body. Be at the present moment. And tell yourself this 1 hour is all for yourself, for the practice of yoga. Inhale and exhale. Throughout the practice, remember, be aware of your practice and your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly open your eyes, stretch out. Open your eyes and stretch out your legs. Hands at the side, keep your spine straight. But make sure your spine is straight. You can place your hand like this or like this. Okay, but make sure your spine is straight and comfortable. Now inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Now inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Now legs apart. Toes pointing to each other. Yes, inhale, rotate down to the side. Exhale, up to the center. Once again, inhale down to the side. Exhale, up to the center. Inhale upwards. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Now, bring both legs together. Okay. Move your knee up and down. Vikriyasana, butterfly. Move as fast as you can. Okay. Inhale, look up. Exhale, you elongate your spine. See, do not hunch and go. You elongate your spine and go. Try to reach your toe. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale once again, you go down. Elongate your spine and you go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch out your knee. Now knee engagement. Hands on the knee. Inhale, lift up the heels. exhale, come. Once again, inhale, lift up. Hips off the mat, exhale, come. Now bend your right. Interlock below, keep your spine straight, toes engaged. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale on your tongue. Now you massage your soul up to your knee. So make sure your knee is, your toes are straight. Do not drop your toes like this. Engage. Massage up your knee, yes. Right hand on the right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release the rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale. Release. Left leg now, interlock. Spine straight. Inhale, up. Straight knee. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Make your knee straight. So if it's like this, it's okay. Straight. Slowly you can bring to you. Exhale to your left. Inhale, up. Exhale on your tongue. Now you massage. Spine straight. Massage. Left hand on the left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale. Inhale, push down. Exhale. Release hip rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Release. Right leg over left leg. Pull in. Seated position. Stretch out your fingers. Inhale up. Exhale all the way. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down towards your wrist. Inhale up. Bend your thumb and your fingers clockwise. Wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Now bring your thumb to your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale up. Interlock at the back. Use these two fingers. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, you go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Once again, inhale up. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, you go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Release. Now for a minute. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale down. Exhale, center. Inhale right. Exhale, center. Inhale left. Exhale, center. Tilt your neck to your right. Exhale, center. Tilt your neck to your left. Exhale, center. Last but eyebrow exercise. Interlock the fingers. Stretch out your elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, center. Inhale down. Exhale, center. Inhale right. Exhale, center. Inhale left. Exhale, center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Raise your thumb. Don't blink your eyes. Try not to blink your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. To the space in between your eyebrows. Look at your thumb. Relax your eyebrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. And release. Blink your eyes now. And drink some water. And we will start with Hatha Surya Namaskar. And it's Tuesday, so we will do 3 types of Surya Namaskar. Okay, those who haven't done yet, don't worry, you just follow. Okay, the videos I've already sent in the group. I'll send once again today. Okay. Okay, come to the front of your mat, legs apart according to your hip width. Hands on Namaskar Mudra, close your eyes. See, every time prepare this is what you do. Prepare for Hatha Surya Namaskar you will stand up, legs apart according to your hip width. Okay, hands on Namaskar Mudra or hands at the side of your thigh. Okay. Tell yourself, close your eyes now. Okay, tell yourself, this is a practice all for yourself, for your inner peace, happiness, good health, good wealth, and great wisdom.
to the practice of yoga. You will be spreading love, light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, to your family, and to all those around. Before we start our practice today evening, thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, thank all the gurus, yogis, mahas, and rishis. Thank your teachers, your fellow practitioners. Thank yourself. Thank each and every part of your body for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga with heart full of gratitude, full of awareness. We start our practice. Slowly open your eyes. Inhale sideways up to the center of your chest. Yes, inhale all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back, inhale, open. Don't bend your knees. Okay, when you go right leg, then only you bend. Yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down, hold your breath. Okay, this position, you have to hold your breath, okay? Inhale, cobra, come up. Exhale, child, sit on your heels. Inhale, cat, look up. Exhale, mountain. Okay. Open up your leg. 1, push your chest in. 2, breathe. 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Have some gap in between your legs. Have some gap in between your legs. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mount. See, some of you are still figuring it out. So make sure you check the videos that has been sent in the group so you will get the position correctly. Okay? Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Come up. Exhale, mountain. Yes, now you breathe. 1, 2. Dasha, see, you check your legs and hands. Dasha, ரொம்ப கிட்ட இருக்கீங்க. 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open and look up. Yes, both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Have some gap in between your legs. Do not forget that. In Anusila, you have opened too widely. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Tasha, you are doing it wrong. Your hand placement is wrong. Okay. Inhale, come up, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. See, don't have space, right? Only space, but learning it. Turn your mat. Right, you don't have enough space. Turn your mat. It's okay. Turn. Okay, never mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. See, don't bend your knees. Don't bend your knees. Left leg back, inhale, open. Sharmila, do slowly, no problem. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Dasha, உங்க கை செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. See, இந்த கை வந்து நீங்க உங்க ear கிட்ட இருக்கு. But remember the shoulder must be aligned with your ears. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, breathe. Lalita, is this your first class? No, right? Lalita, is this your first class? இல்ல தானே. Okay. 1. Manish, கால் ரொம்ப பின்னாடி இருக்கு. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open and look up. Yes. Make sure your heels are fully pressed down, not lifted up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down, right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Yes. Inhale up, cobra. Come up to your navel. Rajishti, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் push பண்ணுங்க. Yes. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Shalini, are you okay? Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight, inhale, up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Follow. Left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open and look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Come, knee straight. Follow instruction. Shalini, come forward, knee straight. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Yes. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Yes. Inhale, cobra. Come up. Yes. Shalini, elbow bend. Bend your elbow. Bend. மடக்குங்க. யுவா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் மேல வாங்க. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Right leg forward. Inhale, open and look up. Yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Just follow the flow. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Wait. Cobra. Kalei, see your hand is too in front. கை வந்து chest கிட்ட இருக்கணும். Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Pushpa, do slow. Don't worry. Okay, do slow. 1. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Yes. 4 and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. One last round. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Talai kal parunga. Check your leg. Front leg, front leg. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, right leg forward. Inhale, open and look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down, left leg back, inhale, open. Up now your leg, you must be, but it's okay. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Yes, knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Now you breathe. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Done. Drink some water. We will start with Ashtanga A, Surya Namaskar. Okay, those who are new, you can follow. Moda பாருங்க அப்புறம் செய்யுங்க. This one I will do. Okay. We will have 2 screens. Okay, everyone can see 2 screens. Yeah. Can see 2 screens. Phone pacha 2 screens தெரியாது. Okay, if you are using phone, you can't see 2 screens. But if you are using laptop, okay, you can see 2 screens. I'll be doing together. Okay, I will do 2 rounds together with you. Okay, I will be jumping out. Miss Tila will not be jumping out. She will use right leg back, left leg back. Yes, she always uses that. Okay, like எப்போதுமே செய்யற மாதிரி செய்வாங்க. Okay, உங்களுக்கு எது முடியுமோ நீங்க அது செய்யுங்க. Okay, come to the front of your mat. And Chaduranga, I will do the normal Chaduranga. Miss Tila, நீங்க வந்து அந்த knee down Chaduranga செய்யுங்க. For 2 rounds. Okay, lips together. Roll up your chest. Samasthiti. This is Samasthiti. Okay. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, hit up. Now bend your knees, hands fully on the mat. Jump out, Chaduranga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Go push 1. See here, you will push your chest inside. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in. Knee straight. Inhale, get up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, release. Mistila, நீங்க சதுரங்க half செய்யுங்க. Knee down. full சதுரங்க போவாதீங்க. Half செய்யுங்க and jump in and jump out. Also, you do right leg, left leg. Okay. Yeah. Second round you will go. Okay, follow. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, get up. See, make sure your knees are straight. Don't bend your knees. If you cannot touch, just hold it like this. Okay. Inhale, get up. Now bend your knees. Hands fully on the mat. Here you jump up. I'm going to jump up. She's going to bring right leg, left leg. And you go Chaduranga. I'm doing full Chaduranga.
She is doing how chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now you breathe. Deep inhalation and exhalation only to your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. I'm going to jump in. She's going to bring right leg in front, left leg in front. I'm going to jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, release. Okay, do as much as you can. Third round, we're going to go into inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, hands fully on the mat. Jump out, chaturanga, exhale. அவங்க செய்யற மாதிரி செய்யலாம், நான் செய்யற மாதிரி செய்யலாம். Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Yes, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jumping knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale, release. Fourth round.
Fourth round, I'm going to check. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Knee vechite chest. Chest must be lifted up. Chest must be lifted up. See, her chest is lifted up. Pavitra, chest lifted up. Ah, correct, correct. Anna, elbow ulluku. See, your elbow is out. Inhale, upward facing. Come, see, come up, upward facing. கால் மேல கால் தூக்குங்க. Feet flat, see her feet flat, கால் மேல தூக்குறாங்க. Exhale, downward facing. Okay, this one I'll teach later. Okay, this one I'll teach later for all of you. Breathe now. 1, 2. பவித்ரா கால் கொஞ்சம் முன்னே கொண்டு வாங்க. 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knee straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Kalai, follow. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Miss Pushpa, you can rest. Last round, you can rest. No problem, you can rest. Don't overstrain. If you can't do, you rest. Just watch. See, watching is more important than doing it incorrectly. Inhale, upward. Inhale, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees. Hands fully on the mat. Yes. Jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Yes. Chaturanga. Kalai, chaturanga. How you do chaturanga? Hands, yes. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Yes. Now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knee straight. Yes. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Done 5 rounds. Before we go to Ashtanga B, I want you to look into the screen. I want all of you to follow this. Follow that. You don't have to do. You check. Okay, you check. Check if you know that if you are doing it right or not. Okay, check panunga. Then we go to Ashtanga B. Okay. See, I'm going to speak about Ashtanga A. I'm going to show about Ashtanga A. Ashtanga A வந்து கால் வந்து see ஹத்தால வந்து கால் வந்து apart according to Wikipedia. Ashtangala கால் வந்து together. Okay, mixed together. Mixed together. And you roll up your chest. We go inhale up, we go. Okay. Then exhale all the way down. Means you will be touching the mat. But knees straight. If you can't touch, you hold here. Like this you hold. Okay. Or like this you hold. You can't go. Okay. But do not do this. Do not do this. See this one. Do not do. Cannot do like this. Knee must be straight. Inhale all the way down to the mat. See. Some of you will be going like this, but some of you can't reach the mat. You do this, or inhale all the way down. Now inhale here up, bend your knees. See, bend your knees, hands fully on the mat. Do not put your hands here. If you put here, when you jump out, wrong eye. So hands here. Okay, inhale when you jump out. So I'm going to bring right leg back, left leg back, right leg back, left leg back. Drop your knee. Chaturanga. Soon you will lift up, but now you do this. Okay, see, what will happen? You will go down straight like that, which is wrong. Okay, so bend your knees, hands fully down, right leg back, left leg back, drop your knee, Chaturanga. Look in front, don't look down, look in front. Elbow, as always I mentioned, do not bring it out, bring it in. Okay, elbow, do not bring it out, bring it in. Chaturanga. From here, inhale, upward facing. Can you see? It's lifted up. Can you see the leg? So feet flat, lifted up. Upward facing. Look up. Exhale, downward facing. Like this. So here you push. Push inside. You just do like this. Okay? Ashtangala, you bring like this. See, some of you are doing this in Hatha. Don't do this. Some of you are doing this. Dasha, this is what you will do this now. You go like this. You should go like this. Okay? Apro jump in. Antika mundu jumping பண்ணும்போது right leg in front, left leg in front, knee straight. Cannot go knee straight, hold here. Inhale here up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Okay, you can check back this video later how I did. Okay, now Ashtanga B. Before we go Ashtanga B, I want all of you to okay, after Ashtanga B we will do. For those iniki first day, second day, do not do Ashtanga B. Those who I've taught Ashtanga B, do Ashtanga B. Kale na Ashtanga B sorry kuduthirukendane. Moonu Surya Namaskar. The third one. Okay, the third one we will be doing. Those who can do. Line break out, Miss Tila. It's my line breaking. Devrani, is my line breaking? Dasha, I think it's your line. Please check your line. Line breaking for you. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay, Ashtanga B. Okay. If you want to watch first, you can watch one round. If you want to do, you do correctly. Okay, you can watch. Pushpa rest பண்ணுங்க, Sharmila rest பண்ணுங்க, Lalita rest பண்ணுங்க. Okay, 3 பேர் rest பண்ணுங்க, no problem. Sanjuta can do. Shalini rest. Okay, come. Inhale, touch, come up, Uttanasana, chair pose. Exhale all the way down. Okay, see first. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees. It's the same. Ashtanga B and the jump out, Chaturanga. Okay, see she's doing. Okay, அவங்க ஃபுல்லா போறாங்க இப்ப. அவங்க முதல்ல வந்து half போறாங்க, இப்ப ஃபுல்லா போறாங்க. ஆனா நீங்க போங்க, நான் செஞ்ச மாதிரி போங்க. Knee down, அப்புறம் போங்க. Inhale, upward facing. Yes. Exhale, downward facing. Okay. Here, what is the difference is now you'll bring right leg forward, Veerabhadrasana, warrior pose. Istila pinadi kalu lift பண்ணுது. Okay. Warrior pose. Go up. Pavitra. Yes. Correct. Okay. Exhale down, Chaturanga. Yes. See how she's going? Go slow. No problem. Yes. Inhale up. Upward facing. Yes. Exhale once again, downward facing. One inhalation, one exhalation. Here you can inhale, exhale. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana. Once again, warrior pose. Pavitra kaal unna munnu kondu varanum. Pavitra Subramanian. Yes. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. See? Okay. Yes. Inhale, upward facing. Yes, lift it up. Exhale, downward facing. Yes. Now you breathe. 1. Yes. 2. 3. 4. Tasha kaal romba pinadi pirichu. And 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale sideways. Touch and come up. Touch and come up. Exhale, release. So for Lalita, Pushpa, யார் சொன்னேன்? யாரோ இன்னொரு ஆள் சொன்னேனே. Sharmila, okay. Kale and Devarani can do. Kale, you can try to do. And okay. I think I'm going rest பண்ணுங்க. Others can do. Shalini, you can try to do. You can try to do. Okay. Second round. Okay, today we will only do 3 rounds. Inhale, touch, come up. Uttanasana, chair pose. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out. Chaturanga, exhale. Starting full body down pola, half kuda pola. I will suggest half. Okay, inhale, upward facing. Yes, good. Anusila, very good. Exhale, downward facing. Yes. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Shalini full kaal unnu munnu kondu vaanga. Neenga mele varanum. Unga kaale mele varanum. Pinadi kaalo lift pannum. Pinadi kaale mele vaanga unnu. Kaal thukunga. Kaal vandu flat ah irukum keela. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Yes, exhale, body down. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Yes, now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in, knees 3. Always bring your right leg forward. Always bring your right leg forward. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, touch, come up. Exhale, release. One last round. Inhale, touch, come up. Uttanasana, chair pose. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Yes, inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Exhale, Chaturanga, body down. Slowly, slowly can. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Yes, exhale, body down. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Yes, now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in, knees 3. Inhale, head up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, touch and come up. Exhale, release. Done. Okay, done. 3 rounds. Okay. Wipe your face, drink some water. I'm going to teach Virabhadrasana warrior pose. In the Ashtanga B, I'm going to teach Ashtanga B. see Ashtanga B also same ஆனா Ashtanga A ல வந்து கை வந்து மேல போச்சு ஓகே இதுல வந்து கை வந்து you touch and come up Uttanasana chair pose okay then exhale all the way down okay like this now so if you cannot go down you hold here look up now inhale bend knees jump up chaturanga exhale I taught you இந்த வந்து knee கீழ வச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் போடு அப்புறம் inhale upward facing exhale downward facing okay I'm teaching the easiest way right leg forward see கால் இப்படி இருந்துச்சுனா you will go down you have to bring it up you have to turn it up Virabhadrasana warrior pose right elbows straight don't loosen up your elbows straight. Exhale once again you can drop this knee go back go down chaturanga apro inhale upward facing and then drop again exhale downward facing then left leg forward see left leg forward பண்ணவே do not drop your knee left leg forward twist Virabhadrasana warrior pose okay and then exhale you drop chaturanga and then inhale upward facing exhale downward facing okay here you breathe 5 counts you breathe okay you push and push 5 counts you breathe look up right leg forward left leg forward inhale get up exhale all the way down inhale touch and come up namaskar mela exhale release okay இது அஷ்டங்கா B okay starting la வந்து it could be a bit harder okay it's okay I totally understand see all of you can do this okay it in the matter of time na okay ana slow practice okay we have okay இது வந்து எப்போதுமே நான் சொல்ற ஒரு விஷயம் I tell this for inspiration எனக்கு மட்டும் இல்லாம என் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே இது இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் ஓகே ஆன்ட்டி கலாவும் ஆன்ட்டி லீலாவும் இருக்காங்க ஓகே ஆன்ட்டி கலா வந்து பூச்சோங் கிளாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஓகே அனு மாஸ்டர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆன்ட்டி கலா பூச்சோங் கிளாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆன்ட்டி லீலா வந்து காஜாங் கிளாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஓகே ஆன்லைனுக்கும் ரெண்டு பேருமே ஆன்லைன் வராங்க ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் வராங்க ரெண்டு பேர்த்துக்குமே above 60 years old okay ஆன்ட்டி லீலா I think Auntie Leela is 65 if I'm not mistaken or 67 okay in the age தான் okay Auntie கலாவும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 62 60 இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கும் இல்ல 58 somewhere around that see both of them continuous they I think they are practicing about 1 year plus or 2 years ready இப்ப செஞ்ச சூரிய நமஸ்கார் இது எல்லாமே ஸ்மூத்தா செய்வாங்க ஸ்மூத்தானா ஸ்லோவா செய்வாங்க இந்த நான் எல்லாமே பிகினர்ஸ் தான் லைக் நீ டவுன் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் ஸ்மூதா சதுரங்க ஹோல்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்புறம் வீரபத்ராசனா ஹோல்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க ஓகே ஆனா அவங்க மொத ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது they all have struggled even when I have started I have struggled to okay எந்த கால் எடுத்து வைக்கிறது எங்க கை கால் அப்படி எப்படின்னு போயிட்டு இருக்கோம் but it's normal okay because most of you beginners here most of you are just starting to learn it's okay என்ன பண்ணுங்க see check your videos once I send video check the videos if I'm doing correctly இப்போ நமக்கு 3 நாள் தான் கிளாஸ் அப்புறம் இன்னொரு ஒரு 4 நாள் உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கு okay we can தள்ளுனா கூட let's say minus we can you have another 2 days for you to practice self practice check உங்க self practiceல நீங்க check பண்ணுங்க நீங்க check பண்ணிக்கோங்க if I'm whether you are doing it right or how is your leg how is my placement my leg placement okay இப்ப மிஸ் லீலா அவங்க தான் ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரிவாங்க okay she have done it in a அவங்க ரெண்டு வேயும் செஞ்சிருக்காங்க ஸ்டார்டிங் பிகினர் வே செஞ்சாங்க அப்புறம் சதுரங்க ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் சதுரங்க செஞ்சாங்க you can follow whichever that you can for me I will suggest as a beginner you go knee down and then you go chest up do not open your elbow like this you must know இந்த வீடியோவிலே இருக்கும் நான் செஞ்சிருக்கேன்ல நீங்க இத பார்த்து கூட நீங்க செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம் if you are doing it right or if you are doing it wrong okay but remember consistent is the key progress பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வருவீங்க எப்ப the moment you actually practice daily okay do not let your practice daily and do not give up okay நம்ம பாடி ஃபிட் நம்மளா செய்ய முடியாது நம்ம ஏஜ் இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு நம்மளா செய்ய முடியாது இல்லவே இல்ல each and every one of you can do okay from kid until if you're 70, if you're 80, there's no matter. If you're practicing from 50 until 80 years old, don't worry, you can be doing yoga, chaturanga, flying here and there. Okay, and the body will get adapt to it. All right, with that, today we will be going to do our pose. Today is it's actually Bakasana. Normally சொல்லி கொடுக்கும்போது Bakasana சொல்லுவேன், but today is actually there's two poses, Kakasana and Bakasana, which is very similar. ஒரே on the hairline or difference வந்து Kakasana வந்து elbow bend பண்ணிருக்கோம். Kakan என்னது? Crow, crow. Kaka is crow. So Kakasana is crow pose. Bakasana is crane pose. Okay. I will just show you how it is, and then okay, I'll show later. Okay, for those who haven't done, but we will do preparatory first. Okay, drink some water. Okay, let me drink some water also, and then we will do our Kakasana. Okay, Kakasana. We'll see Kakasana. We will do Kakasana. Okay, I'll tell. Bakasana வந்து நார்மலா வந்து elbow bend பண்ணினாலும் I'll say it Bakasana, but it's okay, I'll say it as Kakasana today. And prepare செய்யும்போது நான் சொல்லுவேன் prepare pillow. If you want to take the pillow now, you can take and keep if you're far away from your pillow site. If you're doing it in your room, you can keep it. Those who don't need pillow, I know pillow வச்சு செய்யாதீங்க, like Menaga, Miss Tila, Ungala Kale, you don't use pillow. Okay. All right. Okay, we'll go start. Okay, we'll look. See, it was the arm balancing pose. Okay, what we will do? Arm balancing pose. Okay, arm balancing pose naliye upper body strength romba mukkiyam. Okay, upper body strength. Okay, so now the preparatory that we will look into today, we will build our upper body strength, and then we will look into Bakasana. Okay, some of you have done Bakasana many times, some of you have just started. Probably need to first Bakasana, Kakasana சேர்த்து அப்படி அது என்ன pose நீ தெரியலனா now you will do. Okay, first pose upward facing, downward facing, sorry. First pose downward facing dog. From here, see, place here. See, you must open up your fingers. Your fingers must be opened up. Knuckles first. Your fingers, then only your wrist. From here, you push downward facing dog. 8 counts we will go. Okay, 8 counts we will go. You do here. 1, 2, push your chest inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look up slightly. Okay, move your leg slightly. From here, bring your right leg in front like this. Place it on your arm. Right leg, right knee, place it on your arm. Or you can push it inside also. 1, look up. 2, come do. 3, 4, lift up your leg. Yes, lift up your leg. 5, good. Pushpa Singh, you okay? Do. 6, everyone can do now. 7, look up. 8, go back. Go to mountain pose again. Pushpa, ponga. Okay, now left leg you'll bring forward. Yes. Come. That's how you build your strength. Come, look in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pavitra Subramaniam, you have to lift up your leg. Lift up. Minikal, lift up. No. Lift. Yes. Correct. And then come down. Okay. All right. Now we will do Chaturanga. Knee down. You from here. See, those who can do Chaturanga, you lift up. Okay, you lift up. You do. Those who cannot do, you come here.
Move your body. Chaturanga. Do here. 8 counts. Come.
Everyone can do, huh? Everyone can do. Don't drop your hip down. Don't drop your hip down. Come. 1. Ratna, don't lift up your leg at the back. 2. Kalai. Wrong. Not Kalai Magalang. Kalai. 3. You have to push your body in front, Kalai. Yes. Kai வந்து கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி கொண்டு வாங்க. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, come.
Come on. Now, from here, once again, we will go up, but we will drop our elbow down. Okay? See, from here, you will drop your elbow down and push your body in. You push your body in. Look up. Okay? 10 times you will go. Okay? From here, see, from here, slowly drop right, drop left. If this is the rangatike, upper. Okay? But try to press it down. If it's lifted up, it's okay. Okay? If it's lifted up slightly, it's okay. Okay? Go here, look in front. Dolphin pose. Come.
Devrani, what are you doing? Come on. Everyone can go. Pavitra, your leg. Walk in front some more. Pavitra Subramaniam, walk in front some more. Some more. Your leg is too back. Drop. 2. Good. Pavitra Subramaniam. Good. 3. Tasha, come, do. 4. Lalita, elbow drop பண்ணுங்க. 6, 7, and 8. Calm down. Okay, pain, hand pain. Okay, it's normal. Okay, bakasana kakasana kai வலிக்காம செய்ய முடியாது because on the hand na. See, you will see what pose is this. Okay, some of you, some of my previous student, old student, still who haven't achieved bakasana or kakasana, today you have to achieve. Okay. Now,
high plank. You will do high plank. From here, push yourself up. See, do not drop like this. Most of you are doing this, dropping like this, and then going like this. For upward facing dog on setting, plank on setting. Do not drop like this. Go up. Push your hip up. Engage your stomach and stay. Now,
come. One, 2. Don't squeeze your shoulder. 3, 4. Go. Tasha, push your hip up. 5. Correct. Look in front. 6. Kalai, கீழே போயிட்டீங்க. Kalai Magal. 7. Go. 8, 9, 10. Calm down. Child pose. All go child pose. Child pose, huh? Child pose is this one. Go like this. Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly come up. கை இங்க வச்சிட்டு கால் பின்னாடி கொண்டு போங்க. From here, lift up your knee. See, do not bring your hand too in front. This one will not help at all. This one, trust me, this will not help at all. Your chest and your hand should be this one. Chaturanga ponga kuda, you go like this. If you go like this, what will happen? This is not chaturanga. Okay? See, this is chaturanga.
go push and then you go up. Okay, from here, this pose, lift up. Knee lift up, look in front. Knee lift up, look in front. Go. Everyone go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Rajesh K wrong. Lift up your knee. Lift up your knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly calm down. Okay. Now we will start to do Bakasana or Kakasana. Okay. Parshva Bakasana and normal Bakasana and Parshva Bakasana I'm going to teach. Okay.
So, before we start, let's do Malasana. This is Malasana. Okay, place your hand here, like this, at the side. Place your hands here. And you stay here. Spine straight. Stick. Elbow on the elbow on the spine straight. Yeah, spine straight, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, slowly release. Prepare your pillow in front. Prepare your pillow in front. Talay, you have to have pillow. Okay, you first time table. Okay, from here, the pillow is here. See? I want you to do this. கை உள்ளுக்கு இருக்கும். Knee வந்து above your arm. Knee வந்து above your arm. I want you to push and come back. Come down. I want you to push and come down. Okay, the pillow will be in front. This one is for safety purpose. This is but this is for safety purpose. You know why? Because you will tend to fall down like this. Okay, the pillow will help. Pillow like now. Do not see movement, control movement. Make sure you tell yourself you should go above, go beyond the pillow. Okay. So all of you, I'm now going to check that. All of you, see, can you see? So this one, this part of your leg will be pressing here. Okay. From here, push and come down. Go on your toes, push, and then come down. Okay, come down.
Everyone have to do. Push and come down. Okay, 1. Open up your hands. Open up your hands. 2. கை ரொம்ப உள்ளுக்கு இருக்கு. கை கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி கொண்டு போங்க. கை முன்னுக்கு கொண்டு போங்க. And then push. Yes, correct. 3. Go. 4. Sharmila, come, let's do. You can do. Slowly you do. 5, 6, 7. Over kanukom போயிட்டு வாங்க. 8. Ratna. 9 and 10. Calm down. Ratna, don't look down. See what you are doing.
Some of you are doing this. You are not going in front already because it's too close. See, it shouldn't be too close. It should be how it should be. So you're sitting. Not too in front, not too close. Tanaka. You can go up. You can go up. Okay, now same. Now I want you to from here slightly lift up your hip and lift one leg. Come down. Okay, go up, lift, and come down. Come. See, see, I've never thought this out. Why I'm teaching this is so your body, this part, your leg will actually pressure, right? So you know that how much pressure it is giving. So slowly you can go up from here. Okay, come. Go 1,
One leg, right leg you lift up. 2, 3. Go back and come up. Yes, go back and come up. 4. அத்தனா உங்க கால் ரொம்ப கீழே இருக்கு. உங்க ஆம்ல படவே இல்ல. 5. Now correct. Go. Yes. 6. 7. Hip lift. 8. Ati come do. 9 and 10. Okay, now left leg. Come, all do left leg. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's do Bakasana now. Okay, rest first. Rest. Yes. You rest, I will do. Okay, you rest, I will do. Okay, your rest, I will do. Okay, I just keeping this video for the tutorial purpose. Okay. See, make sure this part of your leg have to be not below, above. Inga irukkom. Idu vandu slide ipdi aayuchna. Okay, I'll teach another way. Konja slide aayuchna, see, if it's like this, how you going to carry it? You will definitely go down, right? You will go down like this. Okay, so that's why it has to be up. That's why push, lift up. Okay, from here you lift up slowly. From here you lift up slowly. Okay, slowly now you go up, one leg up, go. See, do not look down. The fear will be when you look down only. Okay, you go up, one leg up, slowly lift up. This is Bakasana. So this is Kakasana. Okay, lift up. This is Bakasana. Okay. Now we do Kakasana. And I don't see. This is more balanced. You push your. So now, idu mela irukadu. Now it's at the side. Okay, now we are going. Push. Push. One leg up, slowly lift up. One leg up, slowly lift up. Go up, one leg up. Now sending leg, adhe mari slowly. You send it in, look in front, slowly lift up. Look in front, slowly lift up. Come, do. Everyone can do. Trust me. You'll be amazed about your body. Try பண்ணுங்க. Pillow. Don't forget pillow. Don't hurt yourself. I have students hurting themselves, so that's why pillow. Okay. Try, Sharmila. Try. Don't look down. Remember my tips. Where your leg should be. Where your leg should be. Tasha, hold for 1 minute. 1 minute don't kilo. Okay, go. Those who can do Bakasana, hold for more than the minutes that you can hold. 30 seconds, 40 seconds, go to 50 seconds, go. Those who are new, I'll guide them. Those who can hold, go. முதல் செஞ்சீங்க ஒரு leg lift பண்ணீங்களா? See Pavitra, very good. Yes, that's how you should do. Pavitra Subramaniam, right? Kalai செய்ங்க. You have to lift your hip up, Kalai. Your hip is not going up. Ratna also. See. இப்படி போனீங்கன்னா how you want to go up? How you want to lift? Of course you will fall. Right? From here. Your hip is not lifted. Lift up. Lift your hip up. Then only you can lift your leg. And then only you can lift the other leg. Go. Lift your hip. Keep lift பண்ணுங்க. காஞ்சனா do. ரெண்டு காஞ்சனா இருக்காங்க நினைக்கிறேன் எனக்கு இல்லையா? அப்படிதான் நினைக்கிறேன். ரெண்டு காஞ்சனா இருப்பாங்க. Okay. Yes, look in front. Good, good. Sanjutta, you're jumping in front. You are do. Lalita do slowly. Shalini do. Shalini, உங்க கால்ல வந்து கையில படவே இல்ல. How you can go up? Yes, now you go. Your pillow is too in front. Your pillow is too in front. No, no, no. Wrong, wrong. Don't lift up your leg. You shouldn't lift up your leg. See, those who can do Bakasana, time yourself. Record yourself and send to me. Where are you? Devrani, sing it. Devrani, sing it. Devrani, good, good. One leg up, right leg up, right leg up. Jump, no jump. Slowly, slowly. Already there, already there. You are already there, Devrani. You are already there. You must tell your body when you should come down for those who can hold already. Anusila, you can do. Come. Sharmila, try பண்ணீங்களா? வலிக்குதா? Anusila, try. Yes, go, go, go. You're doing it right. Yes. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't push, don't push. Slowly. Yeah, there. You're already there. You're already there. Practice, practice. Okay, good. Kale, sing it. Not Kale Magala, Kale. Kale, உங்க hip lift பண்ணல. Shalu do. Parames, காண போயிட்டாங்க? இருக்காங்க, இருக்காங்க. Okay. Do. Shalu, slowly, slowly. Lift up, Shalu. Lift your other leg. Slowly. Slowly lift, lift. Don't look down. Lift. Okay. Practice. Shalini. Correct, Shalini. See, all of you are doing good. All of you are doing good. No worries. Lalita sing it. Lalita மட்டும் பாத்துறேன். Lalita sing it. நான் உங்களை I'll just see you and then I'll guide. Come. Gaidana do. Lalita and Gaidana do. Lalita, உங்க நீ வந்து உங்க இங்க இருக்கணும். Arti, I can't see you, so see another way. Okay. Another way is இந்த கால bend பண்ணும்போது இந்த அந்த big cut இருக்குல இந்த சங்கு பங்கன். Okay. இந்த இடத்துல உங்க elbow வைங்க. The elbow right. Those who cannot do, those who can do, maintain your weight. Those who cannot do yet, okay. Those who cannot do yet, do this. Place your elbow at this place, the space here. Okay, space here. Okay, place your elbow here, and then try to lift up. And then try to lift up. Try this one. Try this one. The space there, and then try to lift up. Okay, this one should be working on the space. The space, the space. See the space here. The space here. Kali spacing irukula. Here you lift, you place your elbow. Okay. Come. Those who cannot lift up. Then you do. Then you lift up. Jamuna can. Try. யார் யாருக்கு வரலையோ முத பக்காசனா நான் இப்ப இந்த மெத்தட் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன்ல அதுல செய்யுங்க. Those who have done Bakasana, do Parshva Bakasana. Those who have done Bakasana, Kale, Menaga, Parshva Bakasana. Sit like this. Place both hands at the side. Down and carry up. And carry up. Go down and lift up again. Parshva Bakasana. Go. Those who have already done Bakasana, Parshva Bakasana. Sit like this. Both hands here. See, both hands here now. This one will tahan here. This one will tahan here. This part. And then
You go side. Go.
Those who have done. Those who haven't done, go do normal Bakasana. Those who are tired. இல்ல கலை நீங்க பக்காசனா செய்யுங்க. கலை. நான் கலை சொன்னது கலை மகள். கலை மகள் do Parsho Bakasana. கலை அடுத்த initial போடுங்க so that I can see your initial. கலை do normal Bakasana. Menaka do Parsho Bakasana. Rajesh K do Parsho Bakasana. Normal Bakasana செய்யுங்க. Normal one செய்யுங்க கலை. கலை மகள் do Parsho Bakasana. Confuse இருக்கா? இது செய்யுங்க. I want to see Rajesh K do Parsho Bakasana sideways do. Lift up. Yes, practice this. Tasha, okay, Tasha also do. Yes. Nistila can do also Parsho Bakasana. Are we okay, Prema? Bakasana செய்யுங்க பார்க்கறேன். செய்யுங்க வரோம் செய்யுங்க. Can. Ratna, very good. Don't look down. Practice this. Okay. Calm down. Hey, Miss Revati போங்க. Very good. Lift up. Slowly lift up. See your fear. That's your fear, Miss Revati, because you're looking down and there's no pillow. That's why I say have pillow and do look up. Mistila, very good. கால் ஒட்டி இருக்கணும். சசிகலா அடுத்தட்டி உங்களை வீட்டுக்கு கூப்பிட போறேன் நானு. செய்யுங்க Parsho Bakasana செய்யுங்க சசிகலா. Okay, those who want to rest. Pavitra, very good. Pavitra Subramaniam, very good. Go slowly. Side sailing. Are you doing sideways or you doing straight? Straight, okay. Sasikala, go. Pavitra, minnuku pillow irukune. Don't jump. Go slow. Sasikala, slowly, lift up slowly. Don't worry. Scared because no pillow. Okay, never mind. All calm down. Relax. Rest. Are we all okay? Kaiyala valikkudu. Yes. I understand. Totally understand. Hand pain, wrist pain, arm pain, this side pain because my leg is have pressed me. It's all normal. Okay, don't worry. கை இங்கெல்லாம் because you're doing continuously இங்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப வலிக்கும். Okay, எனக்கே வலிக்கும். நான் ரொம்ப நேரம் செஞ்சுட்டு இருந்தேன்னா I will have pain. See, most of you can already do it. Sharmila, do not worry. You can do it one day. Don't worry. See, Anusila, you're doing so good. Okay, I know how from where you are, from where you were and now where you are. Okay, don't worry. See, I have a lot of students na epdina from different age group. Okay, from thin cannot lift, heavy can lift, heavy cannot lift, thin can lift. See your size. See na solluvinga. Okay, neenga ulliya irkeenga adanaal neenga seireenga unga students ella ulliya irukanga adanaal seiranga. It's never like that. Okay, trust me, it's never like that. You are a bit chubby, you are in a heavier side, or you are in a thinner side. எனக்கு கை ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கு, I'm very thin, I cannot lift அப்படினா சொல்றாங்களா? No, there's no such thing unless you have condition like medical condition. Okay, rheumatoid arthritis, இது RA. Okay, இது இருந்தா probably you can't lift up because that is memang your wrist will be very painful. Okay, but after it's cured, okay, rheumatoid arthritis cannot cure சொல்லுவாங்க, but with yoga slowly it will reduce them. So trust me, all of you can do. Okay, why I teach Bakasana? Okay, this I think most of it my Bakasana video I've told why Bakasana Kakasana I'm teaching, to tell you that your body can do wonders and you can do wonders because as you lift up your body. Okay, most of you இது வரைக்கும் உங்க பாடி லிஃப்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? those like Pavitra Subramaniam, Devarani, Sharmila, who else, Lalita. See, நீங்க இப்ப நான் லிஃப்டே பண்ணல அப்படி சொன்னீங்க. Have you ever even tried to lift up your body? Never. probably never, right? Probably never. But the moment you try, when you know you can do this, the moment all you நீ உங்களால செய்ய முடியும். ஆனா என்ன தேவைப்படுது? பிராக்டிஸ் தேவைப்படுது, நிறைய எஃபர்ட் தேவைப்படுது. நீங்க வேற எதையும் தூக்க தேவையில்லை. You don't have to carry anything else. What you have to carry? You only have to carry yourself. Your body you are carrying. Okay, you have done wonders. Carrying your body is not a big thing, but definitely practice. Okay, நான் இந்த பக்காசனா சொல்லி கொடுக்கும் போதே நான் சொல்வேன், பக்காசனா செஞ்சுட்டோன்னே எந்த பிரச்சனை அடுத்த வாழ்க்கையில வந்தாலும் அது ஒரு பிரச்சனையாவே உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. ஏன்னா என்னையே நான் தூக்கிட்டேன். மற்ற பிரச்சனை எல்லாம் டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ கேன் சால்வ் அதர் ப்ராப்ளம் தட் கம்ஸ் அலாங் த வே. ஓகே, அப்படின்னா தோணும். ஓகே, தோணணும். பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் சம்திங் வெரி ப்ரவுட். Because why I saying this, because Bakasana is something close to my heart. Bakasana is like a wow pose irundichi. The moment I lift up myself, I felt like, okay, if I can carry myself, I can do anything. I can do. Okay, Bakasana ta மித்த poses la probably it will take time, it will take effort. ஆனா இந்த Bakasana it's like a starter point. Okay, நான் பக்காசனா செய்ய முடியும்னா மத்த போஸ்லாம் என்னால செய்ய முடியும்னு அது ஒரு மார்க்கர் மாதிரி, மார்க்கர் பாயிண்ட் மாதிரி. Okay, all of you can do wonders. All of you are very good, progressing very well. Even if you have just started 1 week, 2 weeks, okay, you are doing great. Practice. மாஸ்டர் சொல்லுவாரு, practice and it's all coming up. அதே மாதிரி practice பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு தேடி வரும். பக்காசனா மட்டும் இல்ல, மத்த விஷயங்கள் உங்க வாழ்க்கையில மத்த விஷயங்கள் கூட உங்களை நோக்கி வந்துட்டு இருக்கோம். Stay positive, stay happy, and also trust yourself and trust your teacher. Those trust your teacher na, see when I'm saying something, have pillow and do அப்படினா do have pillow. ஏன்னா I do, the moment you if you fall and you hurt yourself, okay, that's when sometimes you don't want to go up again. அடிபட்டுருச்சு, ஓகே, இது செஞ்சு அடிபட்டுரும் அப்படின்லாம் வரும். So trust your teacher. If I'm saying something, it's for your own good. If I say do not do, please do not do. Okay, if you do, you do. If I say you can do, definitely you can do. Okay, with that I end my session today. I'll see you again all tomorrow with another soft asanas. Okay, நாளைக்கு ரொம்ப வேண்டாம், கொஞ்சமா செய்வோம். I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care. See you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye. If you have any questions, you can ask me now. I will unmute.